Hi, Deadlocks here again.
Hello.
And today, with the cheapest jackknife on Amazon, we're answering the question everyone wants to know the answer to. That is, can you pick a lever lock off an old drawer?
Off an old drawer.
Off an old drawer.
Just like the age old, just like the next village something.
Actually, might need to put this in the vise. One moment and we'll be back with this in the vise.
Oh, might you?
Okay, so now we'll have this in a vise. It's nice and handily, only got one lever. I'll lift the lever out the way with the deep hook and try and slide the bolt along. Behind it.
Oh, you want to see it was done now?
There we go.
Oh. That was quick and easy.
Would have been quicker and easier if I'd lifted the lever to the right height in the first place. But yes, so the cheapest jackknife on Amazon. There we go. Can get your old drawers with the old lever locks that they used to have on them. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
There we go.
I was talking to man.
Yes, Mrs. Deadlocks still has a switch up session, and if you
It's
see a
not
motor
an
about
obsession.
anywhere, that's because this is still the day that Mrs. Deadlocks threw the water around.
Oh, that's funny.
But anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
There we go. Right, so how long do you think it'll take us to get out of them?
Wait, what? How did you cheat doing that?
What do you mean, how did I cheat? Right, look. Cuffs on, right? Turn round, cuffs off.
What are you doing? You're doing something, I can hear it.
You watching?
Yeah. Hey! Ow! Let me see them.
What?
You little...
What?
Have you shouldn't that? No, you haven't. How the hell are you doing that?